guys, welcome back to Barangay VA University. I'm Jam. I am the founder, and my goal is to actually help aspiring VAs to Filipinos land their first client online through webinars, through video manuals, through all my content creation and activities sa social media and sa community natin. And for today, we're gonna talk about a very important topic, no, which is all about vision board or vision casting or goal setting, which is very important to all of us, lalo na as freelancers, as entrepreneurs, no. Very important sa atin ito because this, dahil pa-start ng taon, we need to set new goals which will give us direction sa ating buhay this 2024. Okay, 2025 pala. Sorry, hindi pa ako naka-move on sa 2024. In a few days, 2025 na. Before anything else, happy holidays everyone. Sana ay na-enjoy nyo ang inyong holidays. And today, my instructions lang is if you have a laptop with you or a computer with you, please use that on the side. We will use Canva. Hopefully, meron kayong Canva account. Lahat ba tayo may Canva account? Comment Canva kung may Canva tayo. Ayan, please. Free lang naman yan, guys. Okay, yung Canva. You don't need to get the paid version as of now. So, free muna tayo mag-maximize. So, ang gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng vision board at gagawa ko ng sarili kong vision board gamit ang Canva for 2025 to set my goals. Okay? Now, okay, every year I do this, and last year I did my vision board, and I want to show to you guys kung ano itsura ng vision board ko last year. Hala, nakakahiya. Wait lang. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang vision board ko last year. Handa ka na bang makita ang vision board ko last year? Ayan, let me share my screen right now. Comment handa kung handa ka nang makita ang vision board ko last year. So this was I don't know if you see my screen. So this was my vision board noong 2024. Ayan, as you can see, very, very simple lang. Okay, so sabi ko, I want to lose weight. Sorry. Sabi ko, I want to lose weight. I tried. Like for the first two quarters of the year, I was losing weight. I was so happy. Pero anong nangyari kasi is na ano si Bading, naloka si Bading kaya tawag dito um nawala siya. Nagtigil, but this time pero ibabalik ko siya sa aking vision board for 2025. Next is to buy a land. Since nagkaroon ng ibang direksyon ng aking life, no, hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng land or ng bahay for myself or my family. So I skipped that already. Next is Osaka, Japan. Actually, itong Osaka, Japan na to, nilagay ko dyan. Ito lang ang na-hit ko, pero hindi Osaka, Japan, guys. Ang na-hit ko ay Tokyo, Japan. So, yan ang ganap. Yan ang nangyari, guys. Tawag dito, ang na-hit ko lang is yan, in Japan. Next is yung reach a specific amount. Hindi ko rin na-hit. Hindi ko rin siya na-hit, guys. Madaming pangyayari, kaya hindi ko siya na-hit. Wait lang. So, and lastly, 100k YouTube subs. Okay, 100k YouTube subs. Hindi ko siya na-achieve, pero I'm happy na I was able to achieve 40k YouTube subscribers with all your help. Maraming salamat. But the reason why I wanted to reach 100k YouTube subs is because gusto ko din magkaroon nung silver play button. No, parang sobrang milestone sa akin yan kasi sobrang hirap sa YouTube, guys. Ayan, so ito yung mga goals ko noong 2024. And ngayon, I want us to create a vision board for 2025. So, sino dito ang ready na? Comment ready if you're ready. Dahil ang gagawin niyo lang ay pupunta lang kayo sa canva.com. Okay, pupunta lang kayo sa canva.com. Ayan. Once you're in canva.com, guys, sana nga makuha ko living for it, Day. Gusto ko yung talagang pangarap ko yun, Doy. Ayan. While you guys are here, ayan. Okay, once you're in canva.com, guys, all you have to do is to click presentation. Ito, presentation. Back. And then it will lead you to this blank canvas. Let's just create a very very basic one, guys. A very basic lang na um tawag dito, a very very basic lang na vision board. So ilalagay nyo lang dito sa design. Punta lang kayo dito sa design, guys. Ito. Let me know kung nabibilisan kayo. I-click nyo lang dito or kahit dito na lang pala sa photos. Sa photos na lang. Ayan o, photos. Tapos i-click nyo lang dito, corkboard or whatever. Kung anong gusto mo. Ako kasi gusto ko corkboard eh. So ayan, pili lang ang corkboard tapos i-stretch ko na siya. Stretch ko na siyang ganyan. Okay na yan, te. Hindi ko naman kailangan umarte-arte pa. So, ayan, tago ko na lang na ganyan. Kunwari yan. Okay? So, may background ka na. Ikaw bala ko anong gusto mong background, eh. Ikaw, you decide kung anong gusto mong background. Pero kasi, very minimalist lang ang lola mo. Baka mas maganda to, no? Pili ko mas maganda to, dahil ano natin to, ilaban natin to, atake. Buksa, ano ko pa, i-stretch ko pa. Are you guys following? Ayan. Sa mga nanonood neto, guys, pwede nyo i-post-post naman itong video if ever. Ayan. Okay, okay. Tataas ko lang konti. Lampangit eh. Tsaka, okay, now that you have your background, okay na yan? Ano na yan? Ganap na yan, te. After you have your background, guys, is you have to search for or pwede mo lagyan ng label 2025 vision board. So you can just for to add text, guys, you can simply sorry na OC ako eh. You can simply type T, lalabas yung text. Pwede mo ilagay diyan my 2025 vision board. Okay? Tapos you edit na lang i-edit na lang the font style, kung anong font style gusto mo. Ayan, pwede naman yan. Lakihan mo lang. Tapos ibayin mo lang yung color, alignment, lahat yan. Ibayin mo yung color. Diba? Are you following? Comment following if you're following. Okay, you can put a rectangle or you can add here sa elements. You can search paper. Ayan. Paper and then see all the graphics. Ayan. Kung anong pwede mong gamitin na paper. Ayan. And then you can use it as a background para sa nilagay mo. Ayan. Pack. Pwede mo ilagay dyan. Ayan. T. Tapos ibay mo na lang yung font color. Gawin mong gawin mo ganyan. Oh, di ba? Like it for you. My 2025 vision board. Ayan. Yan i-label mo. Ayan. I'm actually doing my 2025 vision board in front of everyone. Ayan. Okay. Now, okay. Let me know if you're done. Comment done if you're done. Now is to think about the top 4. Let's say top 4 or 5 na gusto mong ma-achieve this 2024, and then you can just search for photos. Like for example, I want to be able to lose weight. So, lagay natin sa photo, lose weight. Hanap ko lang ng photo dyan na describes na lose weight. Pwede, ito. Ayan, di ba? You can use that. Get 5 photos lang. Ayan. Let's say, yung ano pa rin, sa YouTube pa rin. Search mo lang yung sa YouTube, yung silver play button. Uh, I want to have a silver play button. So that's why ilalagay ko yung picture ng silver play button dito sa ating Canva na hinahanap ko right now sa aking files. Ayan, para mailagay ko dito sa ating, alam ko meron ako yan eh. Ginamit ko yan pang ano. I added it somewhere here. Ala, wala siya dito, auntie. Anyway, you can literally search sa Google like silver play button. Whatever. Go to images. Download that. Download. Okay. Download. And then, balik tayo sa vision board. Drag natin dyan. Pak. Hindi kasi lahat meron doon eh. So, let's add the silver play button. And then, ano pa bang vision ko, Mi? I want to be able to uh, have my own podcast studio. 'Di ba? I want to have my own podcast studio. So that's why I'm adding this. For example, ayan, podcast studio, this 2025. Ano pa nga ba yung isa? Gusto kong bumalik ng Japan, pero this time sa Osaka na talaga. Osaka, Japan. Very specific when you create goals. Very specific. Alam mo naman yung ano, 'di ba? Yung pag gumagawa kayo ng SMART goals, comment SMART if you wanna learn how to create SMART goals. Ayan. Comment SMART, Canva po ito. Comment SMART if you want to learn how to create SMART goals. 'Di ba? When you say SMART goals, ito, Osaka to. When you say SMART goals with the letter S, it has to be simple. Okay. Ay, specific pala. Specific. So, like me, eto, lose weight is not specific. But I can say I want to live a healthier and I want to live a healthier and active lifestyle this 2025. Yung to lose weight is just a parang losing weight is just a what do you call this, an impact, 'di ba? So tapos I want to reach 100k YouTube subscribers para makuha ko tong um, silver play button, things like that. I want to have a podcast studio, 'di ba? Simple, 'di ba? Letter M is measurable. Pag sinabi mo measurable, dapat ano, guys, may specific numbers. Like I want to be able to reach 100k YouTube subs, 'di ba? I want to have my own um podcast studio, 'di ba? I want to be able to travel alone to Osaka, Japan this 2025. Ganun siya. Okay? So, specific, measurable, attainable. A. Pag sinabing attainable, dapat kaya. Realistic, kaya siyang i-achieve within the year. No? Kaya ba ng budget? Kaya ba ng katawan mo? Oo, di ba? Letter R, realistic. Attainable and realistic is almost the same. No? And T is time-bound. Pag sinabing time-bound, kaya ba within the time frame? Yon, okay? So, meron akong apat. So, ang tawag doon smart goals. So, meron akong apat. So, live a healthier and active lifestyle. reach 100K YouTube subscribers, have my own podcast studio. I want to be able to travel to Osaka, Japan, and I'm missing one more. Oh my gosh. What am I missing? Let's say family. My family, I want to have more family time. I want to have more family time. Ayan, okay? Like, siguro once a week we eat lunch or dinner outside with my family. So, yun ang gusto kong gawin. Kasi yun ang nineglect ko this year. Now that you have the photo, so itabi muna natin yan, guys. Hope you guys are learning and following so far. Okay, itatabi muna natin yan kasi maarte ako. Gusto ko ng frame. Yung parang sa mga Instax mini. So, pupunta ako sa elements, pupunta ako sa frames. Bababa ako. Ayan o, frames. See all. So, lalabas yung mga yan. Hanapin ko yung sa photo. Ito, film and photo. Hala. Ayan, film and photo. Tapos, insert ko na siya dyan. So, copy and paste lang ako, guys. Para maganda tingnan. Copy, paste. Diba? Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Ayan. 'Di ba? So, ay narinig ba ako? Can you guys hear me? Sana naririnig niyo ako. Ayan, there. There. Am I back, guys? Okay na? Am I back? Can you guys hear me again? Ayan. So, ilalagay ko muna siya dyan. Can you guys hear me? Yes, sorry guys. Sorry kung nawala ako bigla. Naglolo ko yung ano ko. Hopefully, you guys can hear me now. Ayan, perfect. So, I will just drag the photos doon sa frame na nilagay ko. Hindi ako Canva expert guys ha, hindi ko to specialty. So ano lang, hindi mo kailangan maging super expert dito. It's a thought that counts, eh. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, adjust lang, ti. Di ba? Sanay naman tayo mag-adjust, eh. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, di ba? Ayan, oh. There you go. So you have the four photos. Sa artihan ko lang. Tataas ko lang tong iba dito. Artihan ko lang siyang ganyan. Ito yung bababa ko dyan. Pak, pak. And then you can search sa elements. Punta ka sa elements. Lagay mo pins. Ayan, lalabas lahat ng pins under graphics. 'Di ba? I-ano natin yan, Mi. Let's say this one. Dito na lang natin, Auntie. Pak, o 'di ba? Okay na yan, o. Kunwari naka corkboard talaga. 'Di ba? Kunwari naka corkboard talaga ang gay. Sa mga bagong sunod lang here, we're doing our vision board together. Maraming salamat sa pagsunod dito. Ayan, tapos nilabelan ko na lang siya. Once again, pag text guys, lagay mo T. Ayan, lalabas siya. So, um, active, more, active, sorry and healthier lifestyle. Ayan. So, lilitan ko lang, te. Pati yung font style, papalitan ko lang. Pwede na itong DM Sans. Ayan, pwede natin i-adjust. Nilagay ko dito. And then, adjust natin yung spacing, line spacing. Diba? O, pack. Lagay ko lang dyan, pack. Next, copy and paste ko na lang. Lagay ko dito 100k YouTube subscribers. I-claim natin yan, I-claim natin yung 100k YouTube subscribers. Paste na naman natin dito my own podcast studio. Let's call it. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Solo trip to Osaka, Japan. O, diba? Sama natin yan dyan. Kaya kailangan natin mag-ipon kasi matami tayong gustong mangyari sa buhay. Ayan. Ito, lunch or dinner with family every weekend. Wala. With fam. Weekly. Ilagay natin na lang weekly lunch. Di kasi bonding na lang. Bonding with fam. With fam. Every weekend. Diba? Pa? Yan, pasok na. So, you have all 5. I hope you guys are following. Pwede mo lagyan ng anik-anik dito. Like, let's say, origami. Diba? Lagi ka na anik-anik dyan. Pwede mong lagyan ng anik-anik yung gilid ng ano mo. Kung ma-arte ka, lagyan mo. Bakit? Vision board mo yan Diba? Pakialam nila. Vision board mo yun. Bahala ka. It's your life. Live your life. Bahala ka dyan. Diba? Lagyan mo lang. Yan na yung huli-huli mo yung mga design-design. Diba? Importante yung laman. May design ka nga, wala ka namang laman. Diba? Are you following? Yes? Ayan. Ang gusto ko ngayon gawin nyo is you create your vision board. Ayan. Create your vision board. And then, via Canva, do whatever I'm doing, like what I'm doing right now. Kung pinapanood mo tong recording na to, pwede mo i-pause every section and then continue. And then, save it as JPEG. So if you wanna save it, share, download, like you can do JPEG or PNG. Download it. And then save it gawin mo siyang desktop background or wallpaper. Gawin mo siyang, tawag dito, gawin mo siyang phone wallpaper. Pwede kang gumawa ng phone version neto, guys. So, go ahead and do that. Gawin mong phone wallpaper, 'di ba? Para na-alarm ka every day, 'di ba? Para nare-remind ka every day about it. Okay? Yan ang gagawin natin. Bakit? Once you have this vision board, every time na ikaw ay nahihirapan, every time ikaw ay tinatamad, 'di ba? Every time na ikaw ay tawag dito, parang na-discourage sa buhay, ay meron kang babalik-balikan. Ito yung sinasabi nating para kanino ka bumabangon. 'Di ba? Ito yung sinasabi natin para kanino ka bumabangon. So yan ang magpapabangon sa'yo. At least may direction ka whenever you make decisions in life, no? At least, and this is just my personal life, ha? Iba pa yung goals ko sa business. Iba pa ang goals ko sa, sa other things. Diba? So, yon. Hope this one helps, guys. Are you learning? Comment learning if you're learning. And if you're gonna make one, comment make if you're gonna make one, guys. So gusto ko makita ang inyong vision board. Save it as JPEG. Okay, and I want you to send it to i-post nyo sa Barangay VA community natin, yung vision board nyo. Yung JPEG is i-post mo sa Barangay VA Community FB group natin. Okay, i-post yun sa Barangay VA community group natin ang vision board nyo. Explain mo lang. Ayan. And ayun, sabay-sabay nating i-reach ang ating goals ngayong 2025. And speaking of this, guys, no, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, explain ko lang. I want kasi, I want you guys to learn more about the importance of planning for as an entrepreneur for 2025 or for the following year. So, starting next week, so hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo na to, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo na to, pero eto starting next week, 2025, okay, Fridays, 7 p.m., sa ating podcast at sa ating YouTube channel, no, sa Spotify, no, ako ay mag-upload ng mga podcast episodes. And dito group pwedeng group discussion siya, pwedeng minsan ako lang ang laman ng podcast. Minsan meron tayong mga special guest, no. Dito ko ibibigay sa inyo yung i-share namin sa inyo yung kung ano nga ba talaga yung buhay ng isang virtual assistant. Ano ba yung mga iba-ibang walks of life na mga friends natin dito. I'm gonna invite some influencers here na fina-follow nyo din na virtual assistants and freelancers. Alamin natin yung buhay nila. Alamin natin yung mga nag-struggles nila. Ayan, sa freelancing world. Para meron kayong reality view of this world, no? At the same time, may mga lessons kayong may pupulot sa experience ng bawat taong or freelancer na i-feature ko dito. When I'm alone, I'm gonna rant kung ano bang nangyari talaga sa akin for the week or for the month, kung ano nangyari sa freelancing life ko and what are my learnings, no? And there will be group discussions too. So, um, what's good about this is that I'm gonna start 2025, guys. Search nyo lang Buhay Virtual Assistant Podcast sa Spotify at saka sa YouTube, yung yung same YouTube natin. Barangay Bay University. But ang maganda dito is every Friday may learnings kayo 7 p.m. Automatic yan, guys. So you just have to set it in your calendar. May bago akong matututunan every Friday 7 p.m. sa Barangay VA community. So ganun lang tayo, guys. And for the month of January, it's all about new year, new me, which is the importance of planning and vision casting for your freelance business for 2025. And I invited 3 freelancers. Hindi nyo pa to kilala, pero magandang makilala nyo dahil maganda ang story of their life. So tatlo sila. We will film it tomorrow and we will make sure na we will deliver when it comes to learnings and imparting our own experience sa inyong lahat para may matutunan kayo at may inspire kayo. Ayan. Yun lang po, guys. Once again, if you have questions, you may drop it sa ating comment section. No? I'm very excited for this Buhay VA podcast, Season 2. Ayan, iba sa inyo napanood na o napakinggan na yung mga previous episodes ko eh. Pero ito, bagong approach, mas fresh, mas maganda. Season 2 of Buhay Virtual Assistant Podcast. Ayan. I am looking forward to see all of your vision boards, guys. Very, very excited for that. Please do post it sa ating Barangay VA uh, Barangay VA FB group. Ayan. And we're gonna be there to, push each other para ma-reach natin this 2025 ang ating goals. Okay? Guys, once again, I'm very sorry for being late. I have been really fixing a lot of things for tomorrow shoot para lang makapag-commit ako sa every Friday 7 p.m. na podcast episodes natin. Maraming maraming salamat sa tulong nyo, sa suporta nyo. Happy holidays everyone. Maraming salamat sa time nyo. And I'll see you guys again this 2025 better. A better version of Jam and a better version of Barangay VA and Buhay VA. Bye po! Have a great evening, guys. Ayan, 30 minutes lang kinuha kong time sa inyo kasi late ako. Ayan. So hopefully, guys, learned a lot from this session. Goodbye. Thank you.